The big thing that you want to pay attention to, Gail, is if such make money online opportunities are guaranteeing you income, stay away from those opportunities. Because if you come across any make money online opportunities that are guaranteeing you income, it's not appropriate. And it's also dishonorable too, because they cannot make any guarantees like that. Otherwise, they'd be in a lot of trouble. And if they're continuing to make income disclaimers like that, if they're continuing to guarantee income to you, those are the opportunities that you want to steer away from. When you get involved with any kind of make money online opportunities, you got to understand that you're not guaranteed anything. And nobody can tell like what you're going to do in order to be successful. They don't know your work ethic. They don't know if you're willing to invest not only the capital, but also the time and learning the necessary skill sets. It's going to depend on a number of factors. But what you want to do is stay away from any guaranteed income claims that any opportunities make. You want to get involved with opportunities that are leading with value, that are going to actually teach you skills, that are going to help you get results. And those are the kinds of income opportunities that you want to be on the lookout for.